What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're jumping right into it. I am gonna be doing, which is right there, the license plates LED lights. Yep, wearing my ZR1 shirt. So let's jump right into it. The cameras, we gonna have, yep, like I guessed it, T10 screws. T10, that I'm pretty sure that's T10. I know the car top to bottom. So we're gonna 1, 2 here, 1, 2 there. Where is that at? Unscrew them, swap the license plate lights. But first, I gotta do something real quick. I understand why I'm doing this in the next video, but because I'm placing the license plate frame, that's in the next video. This video is the license plate LED lights. You don't have to do this step, by the way, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So let me take out the plate really quick and I'll show you guys in 1 second. Right, so now we got to that part, that T10 screw. You're just gonna take it out, and I'm keeping this out. You don't have to do any of this. You can do this with the license plate and the frame and assembly in it. So I'm just gonna do this now in case if there is any dirt or something unusual right here, like dirty area, so I can clean it. So again, T10 screw, you take it out. See, take it out. There is 1, 2, and the other one 1, 2. So in total 4 for both license plate lights. So let me take these out so I don't bore you guys, and I will be right back. Take this side. So I'll show you what it looks like, you guys. Then this is just gonna boom. Some people make it a big deal, but it's gonna drop. So now this is dirty. I gotta clean it out. I'm gonna spray it. I clean under this. See all of that? So I'm gonna, in my hand, spray it. I'm not gonna spray this, but I'm gonna spray it. See? Look at that. I'm gonna clean it up. Already better. Already. Right. Look at this. Look how clean this looks. You guys remember how it looked? Look how clean it looks now. Brand new. Right, we got cameraman. Let's go, cameraman. Alright, so you guys, what you guys want to do is you're gonna twist, take it out. Very simple. Twist, take it out. Now, you're gonna leave the bulb here. Just make sure it's not hitting. See? It's not hitting. I don't like it to be hitting. It's not hitting. I don't like it to be hitting my paint. Although that's just very stupid. It's not gonna damage it. I'm gonna blow into this so we make sure there is no all right, so we're gonna get our JDM A-Star, the same ones I used for the interior LED lights. Then, by the way, I hope this video comes out good because it's me and it's really tough and it's windy outside. So we're gonna take the JDM A-Star light, we're gonna put it right there, set it up. I'm gonna pull this bulb straight up, pull it out, get the JDM A-Star, bam, insert it in. I got the key in my pocket, or where did I put the key? Oh, the key right here. So we're gonna just unlock it to see if it works. Bam, it works. See? Lock our car. So we can just leave it unlocked now. So it works. I'm gonna get this piece. See how clean it is now? We'll clean it up. It looks very, very, very nice. Very nice and very clean. I take the bulb and twist. See? And it should be firm twist. See how nice it looks? All LED and white, not yellow. So if you want to zoom in a little bit, come closer. I'm gonna get you closer. That's how it looks. And I wiped it down. Look how brand new it looks. Just like came out assembly line of Bowling Green, Kentucky. For today's video, we started at the end of the car. No, we're at the end. We're at the front of the car, completely opposite. But yeah, got also a new haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. I see the subscribers, I see the views, I see the likes. And that's why we always say, you know, smash the like button or drop me a like on this video, because it helps my video to go out there, and it's just for YouTube algorithm. So please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, so when I drop a new video, it's just gonna drop in the subscription box and it just notifies you I dropped a new video, and you can just go watch that. So I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.